If you're using the Yoast SEO plugin or any other plugin that adds social sharing OG meta to your site's editor, you'll need to turn that off and turn on the social share tags in the social sharing tools settings. Let's delve into the Yoast SEO settings. Yoast provides specialized fields for customizing the title, description, and feature image for various content types, including posts, pages, products, and categories. These fields allow you to tailor the share image, title, and description specifically for each type of content on your site, ensuring consistency and relevance across social media platforms. If you don't want to turn off the Yoast social sharing tags, you'll need to do some extra steps. Otherwise, the tool will use the default data. For example, let's see how that works with the free Yoast SEO plugin. Now, let's head over to a post and take a look at the social share meta settings. In our example first, we'll use the social share tools metadata, and then the Yoast meta. First, let's check how our post appears in the Facebook debugger. As you can see, it's displaying the default image, post title, and description from the Yoast general settings. To resolve this, let's go back to the Yoast settings and turn off the social share and Twitter card options. Don't forget to save your changes. Let's return to our post and navigate to the social share meta settings. Here, let's turn on our sharing meta tags from the social share tools plugin and update the post. Let's head back to the Facebook debugger and scrape the post again. This should update the title and description. Finally, if you choose not to turn off the Yoast social share meta, you'll need to manually add the custom title, description, and image to the Yoast social settings. Make sure that the sharing meta tags from the social share tools plugin are off. To do this, navigate to the post and locate the Yoast social settings. Here, you'll find fields to input the custom title, description, and image for your post's social share. Take your time to fill in these details accurately to ensure an engaging and optimized social share experience. Once you've added the custom information, don't forget to update the post to save your changes. After updating, head back to the Facebook debugger and scrape the post again. This should refresh the post's data with the newly added custom title, description, and image from the Yoast social settings.